आता खबरो विस्तारान. मंगळारा पणजे महापालिकेची वादग्रस्त बसका जाली. ह्या रेझोल्युशनान पणजे महापालिकेतलो एक कामगार वास्को पालिकेन कामांक जाल्यार वास्को पालिकेचो एक कामगार पणजे महापालिकेन अदला बदली जातले म्हण महापौर फुटाडो उलयला. आर्डिक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
The corporation city of Panjim and some of the municipalities of Goa had taken a resolution saying that there should be a common cadre of staff. One staff working here will be transferred to Vasco. Vasco will come here. Because what happened? A staff who works here for 32 years, what he says, मेयर 1 वर्साचो, काउन्सिलर 5 वर्साचे, आमी सदां आसतले. So they are least bothered of what we say, what we do. And administration is completely low. Even the chief minister is on record telling me that even in the secretariat, administration has become completely the same because professional people are not there now. Talented officers are not there now. Same with CCP. My voter, my supporter, my relation, all these years they were brought here, and today we are suffering. That's why we have to take contract JEs. These contract JEs prepared estimate of 5 crores rupees, which our JEs, permanent JEs, were refusing to do on one pretext or the other, saying that I have got this construction file with me, I got this occupancy file with me, I have got this court matters with me, and they will keep on delaying. And I was being pressurized by all the corporators what is happening. That's why we have taken a decision to employ this. Today, if I'll tell you, 15 to 18 contract staff which are there, they are running the show. They're getting how much? 12,000 rupees. And there are staff getting 45 and 50,000 rupees permanent. But these people are running the show. Why? Because they have the fear, like today, 6 months or 1 year extension. If they don't work, they'll not get extension. So that fear is there. The moment you become permanent, that fear is not there. So the resolution was sent to the DMA, asking him to have this common cadre to send to urban secretary, to send to urban minister, and make it a law that common cadre staff can be transferred anywhere.